Hello my friends, you're so welcome to our YouTube channel. If you like to make the best Persian saffron rice, watch out this video. If this is the first time that you're coming to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell button. Thank you that you're here. I have 3 cups of this size of white rice here. You can use Persian rice or basmati rice or any other white rice that you have. The first thing that we're gonna do is that cleaning this rice. In order to clean the rice, I'm looking for any stuff like this brown or this black sand in the rice. We don't want them in our cooked rice because they don't look good. Transfer the rice into a container. Now it's time to wash and rinse water with warm tap temperature. Gently rinse the rice. Be very careful, we don't want the rice to break. Now pour out the water. Don't do it more than 3 times. That's enough. Now for your last time, fill up the container with good amount of water. We want to soak the water for 2 hours. I add 4 tablespoons of salt and let it soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I pour out the water. Pour 2 liters of water into a pot and let it boil. Transfer the rice into the pot. Put the lid on and let it boil for 8 minutes. When the rice started to boil in the hot water, remove the foam and after 8 minutes, drain it. I also try the rice until it's cooked inside out. I drain it into a colander. The rice is cooked just halfway. We go back to the pot. We go back to the pot and add oil to it. Transfer the rice into the pot. Gently centralize the rice and poke 3 holes like this in the rice. Now put the lid on. After you found the steam on the lid, it's time to wrap up the lid with a cloth and let it cook with slow heat for 40 minutes. If you want crust, you should let it be cooked for 60 to 80 minutes. The best way to brew saffron is cold brew. Put 2 cubes of ice in a container and add a pinch of ground saffron on it and let it melt. It's ready. Ice is melted and the saffron is ready to be used. After 80 minutes, the rice is cooked. Transfer a little bit of rice into a bowl and add saffron into it. This is the topping. Now press the rice fully and completely. Add more white rice into this. Press the rice really well. Now put a plate on it and flip it over. It's ready. Persian saffron rice is ready. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. If this was the first time that you were coming to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on the hit button. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.